Hey loves, and welcome back to my channel. To my returning subscribers, hello. To my new viewers, please do smash the subscribe button over there and hit the notification bell to be notified every time I upload a new video. So as you can see by the title, we're filming a how to remove your nails at home video, and I already shortened the nails off camera. The other one, the pinky, came out already, and I took a cuticle nipper and I kind of like lifted the part that was already not adhering to my natural nail. And as you can see on that side, it's very stubborn, so which means it's still adhered. So you don't want to like force it up because that's going to damage your nail. So leave that. Just take away the part that's already lifted with a nail cutter. And as you can see, I did the same to the other fingers. As you can see, it's like I'm doing it in a bending type of motion. Oh, and my thumb is still the sculpted gel tip is still adhered to my natural nails, so it was not coming out at all. And now I'm filing the shine off from the nails. And I'm just dusting off the dust from my fingers. And that's acetone I bought at Bling. It was 20 rand. And you're also going to need a dish. Don't know where I bought that. And also that thing, I don't know what it's called, but I bought it at Mimikyu. And I think it was probably like 30 rand. Then you're going to need a cuticle oil just to nourish your cuticles, because the acetone can be very drying and it's not good for the skin. So every part that your natural nail and your cuticle, and just leave the part that still has the fake nails, but nourish the other parts. You're also going to need hot water, so I boiled the water on the kettle obviously, and I put it in a dish. But just make sure you don't have too much water, because you're going to see me going back just to pour out some water because it was too much. Now I'm pouring in the acetone in this plastic thingy. Not too much, but just enough. Since the other finger is already out, so I've only poured it into 4 sections. Putting my fingers in, and I'll leave that for like 10 minutes or more. So these are the nails, they are out. That one is already out. Now the middle finger is already coming out as well, as you can see. Now I took the same cuticle nipper to cut out the soft parts, the parts that have already come out on my index finger. Oh, and now it's coming out. It's finally out. Now I'm taking the same cuticle nipper just to take away the color of the white. But you could also use a filer for this part. I just used the cuticle nipper because it was something that I already had in my hand. Now this is me like sort of like pulling out, or like in a bending motion, the gel sculpted tip that are adhered to my natural nail. I hope I'm making sense, guys. And as you can see, some of the parts, some of the nail, the gel nail, sculpted nail tip is still adhered to my natural nail. So I'm only taking out the parts that are loose. I'm not going to force it out because it's going to damage my natural nail. So because it's still adhered, I'm going to put it back into that acetone to soak for a few more minutes. And it's out now. Now I'm taking that same cuticle nipper to do what I was doing all the time, cutting the bits and pieces that are loose and like lifting it up so it can come out. Tips are finally out. I'm going to take a nail cutter just to shorten my natural nails. So now I'm just going to take a buffer and buff my natural nails with definitely a finer buffer. I'm gonna take that and buff my natural nails. So now I'm gonna take a cuticle oil. You can use a cuticle oil or a tissue oil and apply it on my nails and my cuticles and my fingers, just to restore back the moisture, because acetone can be very drying. So but if you have a nail repair, you can definitely use that, because your nails are going to be damaged because of the acetone. And please do take some time off of nails, 2 weeks or so that your natural nails can be repaired before you do another set. So yeah, I'm gonna take 2 weeks off, and then I'm gonna show you guys again how I do my own nails at home. I'm gonna film that video and post it for you guys, so stay tuned for more content, baby. It's me applying the tissue oil to my nails and my cuticles. So I'm finally done removing my nails, as you can see. So please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and hit the notification bell for more content. Bye. Bye.